लाला कैलाशपत सिंघानिया पब्लिक स्कूल के होनहार छात्र भावेश तानन ने एनटीएसए की सेकंड स्टेज परीक्षा 2020 को पास कर सफलता का परचम लहराया। यह परीक्षा राष्ट्रीय स्तर एनसीईआरटी द्वारा आयोजित की गई। भावेश ने इससे पहले परीक्षा के प्रथम चरण को राज्य स्तर पर अपनी कड़ी मेहनत से पास किया और बाद में द्वितीय चरण को पास कर नया कीर्तिमान स्थापित किया। द्वितीय चरण के पश्चात भावेश को प्रतिमाह 1250 रुपए का छात्र भत्ता अपनी पढ़ाई के लिए मिलेगा। विद्यालय की प्राचार्य श्रीमती निधि शर्मा ने भावेश तानन की इस उपलब्धि के लिए मोमेंटो देकर सम्मानित किया और बताया कि एनटीएसए परीक्षा में विद्यालय की यह लगातार दूसरी सफलता है। इससे पहले अनुराग तिवारी ने एनटीएसए 2021 की परीक्षा का प्रथम चरण पास किया है। वहीं भावेश ने अपनी सफलता का श्रेय विद्यालय के अध्यापकों को दिया है, जिनके दिशा निर्देशन में उसने सफलता प्राप्त की है। अंत में प्राचार्य श्रीमती निधि शर्मा ने भावेश तानन के उज्जवल भविष्य हेतु शुभकामनाएं दी और विद्यालय के कक्षा 10 के छात्रों को इससे प्रेरित होने के लिए दिशा निर्देश दिए।
भावेश, alumni of LK Singhania Public School. Recently, I cleared NTSE Stage 2 examination. For that, I want to give my credit to all the grateful teachers of this school and then to my parents who motivated and supported me a lot. First of all, I will be telling you what's my inspiration for NTSE. So I am Mr. Sachin sir, who was teaching me maths, inspired me to take upon the NTSE in my class 8th. Thereafter, I started the preparation, but I was not so much serious. Later, in class 10th, I joined a coaching institute for the summer course, or let's say crash course of class 10th boards. In that course, I got a motivation because I met a person who was Ajmer region topper in the 10th boards, and he was also an NTSE scholar, and he was fulfilled with many achievements. So from that, I motivated a lot and I started my preparation for NTSE. And day by day, I made it harder. So my study hours are also increased, and slowly I am able to crack the NTSE. For NTSE and supported me at every step and helped me to reach my small milestones. Whether NTSE preparation is not just related with the coaching tests or competitive preparation, it's also somehow related to the boards, and the school teachers are very much, and they are the foundation pillars for preparing for the NTSE. First of all, there is nothing like special preparation for NTSE. Just you need to do your regular hard work, and you need to maintain the consistency in your daily schedule. And first of all, you need to able to maintain and cope up with the school studies at a regular pace, so that you can start with the extra co-curricular activities like NTSE, which is a very important. So later, if you are able to cope up with the school studies, then you can start your preparation. I did the same. I started my NTSE preparation, and slowly my strong point was mental ability, and I practiced it a lot. It was my favorite subject also, and it also contains approx 50% weightage in the NTSE examination, and that helped me to crack the NTSE examination also in the stage 1 and in the stage 2. Time management, I used to study mostly on Sundays. In my whole 10th class, each and every Sunday I revised the syllabus of class 9th and the completed syllabus of class 10th. So this helped me to maintain a good consistency in studies, and also in the mock test. And mock tests are on my top priority, which help me to maintain the time also in my regular studies. If we are giving mock tests on a regular basis, then we will also not improve, but we will also able to do our studies very well, and we get a good confidence to attempt the examination. For newcomers, my message is that whether they are in class 8 or they are in class 9, first step they need to do is that they need to start with their school studies with the summing up the time up to 10 hours daily. if they are able to maintain that consistency up to 1 month, then they should start with the solving mental ability in their class 8th also, because mental ability is such a section which any student can practice in his class 8th and complete it. And after coming to 9th and class 10th, they should also study the same topics from the class 11th and class 12th NCERT textbooks, so that they could also get a conceptual clarity, which is very important while solving questions in the examination.